The new school year is here, and teachers are heading back into classrooms full of energy, new students, and of course, a mountain of work. But this year, something new is showing up in education: AI tools. From lesson planning to grading, AI isn't about replacing teachers. It's about saving time and making the tough parts of teaching a little easier. Today, we'll look at 4 real AI tools teachers can actually use in 2025, made simple. Welcome to Made Simple Guide, where we explain complex things in plain English. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on technology, money, and everyday skills, hit subscribe. Tool 1. Lesson planning and writing support. Every teacher knows lesson planning is one of the biggest time drains. Writing outlines, building activities, and adjusting material for different grade levels takes hours. AI writing tools are changing this. Take ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot as examples. A teacher can say, "Create a 3-day lesson plan on the American Revolution for 8th grade." And in seconds, the AI drafts an outline with objectives, activities, and even suggested homework. Teachers can also ask for simplified text versions of readings or even differentiated activities for advanced and struggling students. The point isn't to copy the AI word for word. It's to get a polished draft that saves hours of planning. The teacher still reviews, edits, and adjusts, but the heavy lifting is done. Think of it like a brainstorming partner that works instantly whenever you need it. Tool 2. Quiz and test generators. Creating quizzes and tests takes time, especially when you want them to be engaging. This is where tools like Quizzes AI and Kahoot AI come in. Teachers can paste in a passage or topic, and the AI instantly generates multiple choice, true or false, or short answer questions. Quizzes even gamifies the quizzes, turning them into interactive competitions students actually enjoy. For example, a science teacher can say, "Generate 10 quiz questions on photosynthesis for high school biology," and the questions appear instantly. It's not perfect. Teachers still need to check for accuracy and make adjustments, but it's a huge time saver. Instead of spending an hour writing questions, you can spend 5 minutes tweaking AI-generated ones. The result? More interactive, customized quizzes with less prep time. Tool 3. Grading and feedback. Ask any teacher what takes the most time, and grading is usually at the top of the list. Reading essays, marking errors, and writing feedback eats up nights and weekends. AI tools like Gradescope and Turnitin Draft Coach can help. Gradescope allows teachers to upload assignments, and its AI highlights patterns. Maybe most students are struggling with thesis statements, or a large percentage missed a certain problem. This helps teachers quickly see where reteaching is needed. Turnitin's Draft Coach works differently. It helps students themselves by checking writing for clarity, grammar, and originality before they submit, which can reduce teacher workload in the long run. Some tools even draft feedback comments teachers can personalize instead of writing the same note dozens of times. Again, AI isn't making the final call. The teacher still decides grades and feedback. But it cuts down the repetitive work so teachers can focus on the parts that matter. Tool 4. Classroom organization and communication. Teaching isn't just about lessons and grading. It's also about endless admin tasks, emails, schedules, presentations, and parent communication. Here's where tools like Notion AI and Canva AI come in. With Notion AI, a teacher can say, "Summarize this week's lessons into a short parent newsletter," and get a clean draft instantly. No more spending Friday night typing emails. Canva's AI tools help create visuals, slide decks, and posters quickly. Instead of struggling with design, a teacher can focus on content and let AI polish the look. Even school platforms are adding AI features. Learning management systems like Schoology and Canvas now include AI-powered scheduling and content organization. These organizational helpers are like having a digital assistant that never gets tired, keeping classrooms running smoothly behind the scenes. The benefits and concerns. So those are 4 real-world ways AI tools are already helping teachers in 2025. The benefits are obvious. Teachers save hours each week, students get more engaging content, and schools run more efficiently. That extra time can mean more energy for teaching, mentoring, and inspiring. But the concerns are real too. AI isn't always accurate. A generated quiz might have a mistake, or a draft lesson plan might miss key points. Teachers still need to review carefully. Privacy and data security also matter. Education involves sensitive student information, and schools must have clear policies before adopting new AI tools. And finally, no tool replaces the creativity, empathy, and judgment of a real teacher. AI can support the work, but it can't connect with students the way a human can. Conclusion: as schools head into 2025, AI tools aren't some futuristic idea. They're here right now. ChatGPT, Quizzes AI, Gradescope, Notion AI, and Canva AI are just a few examples teachers can use today to save time and reduce stress. The key is using them wisely as assistants, not replacements. So if you're a teacher this year, try out 1 or 2 AI tools to see where they fit best. They might just give you back the time and focus you need to do what matters most: teaching. That's AI tools for Back to School 2025 made simple. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and check out our other videos where we make complex topics made simple.